Hello, in this video we'll talk about how to use map function of pure package in R. So we know R has a very big framework of package called tydyverse, and pure package is one part of the tydyverse. So it also provides vectorized operations on data object in R. For example, if we want to use functions to apply it on each element of a list, so we may use for loop. But in the pure package, there's a function called a map, so we can apply the function to each element of a vector or list and return the result as a list. And if you know the apply function, so the map function is a counterpart from pure package as to apply function in R. So, and if you want to return other data objects than a list, so you can use, for example, map double will returns a vector of doubles, or map character returns a character vector, or map integer to return a vector of integers, or map LGL to return a logical vector, but sometimes it may not apply to the operation. So next we will go to RStudio to show these operations in R. So first we load pure package. So just notice there's 3R, the pure R. Then we create a list called a list of numbers. So this list has 3 elements. Each element is a vector of a random number. So the first is 5 random number, and the second is 9, and third is 10. So they then say we want to calculate the length of each element of this list. So the result will be 5, 9, and 10, right? And we can create an empty list of 3 elements. So we use a vector list length 3, and we can show this empty list first. You can see their list of 3 elements, and elements actually is no empty now. Then if we do not use vectorized operation, so we may have a for loop. So for in sequential along list of numbers, then elements list ith element would be the length of list of elements ith element. So it will be quite complicated, right? So the result is correct. The length of the original list of elements will be assigned to the elements of the resulting list. Then if we do not want to use for loop, we can use the map function. So the map function's first argument is the object you want to apply function on. Then the second is the function. So it looks very tidy. Then the result is the same as before. And if we want to return not a list and integer vector, so we can use map int with the same arguments. So the result is a vector. Then say we want to return a vector but with the character type, so we can use map character with the same So if we use map character to this operation, it comes with an error. And errors cannot convert from an integer to a string. So it's not 100% that you can apply this function to every operation. But for example, if we use logic to the same operation, it also comes with an error. But if we use the map df, which means the result will be returned as a data frame. So we should, so that it's okay. The result is a data frame. Actually, this is a table with 1 row and 3 columns. So this is just the first very simple usage of the map of the purrr package. Thanks for watching.